I built my own chatbot, and this is what came out when I asked my AI about 23 children. That. Hello, Internet. Today we're gonna build our own chatbot. Yes, we wanna chat. So what we do, we just wanna have 3 cells. The first cell is easy. Pip install transformers. Done. The next cell is we want to have an app. So we say pip install Gradio. Done. And then it gets interesting, but with the help of HuggingFace, it is really easy. At first we have transformers, import our tokenizer, import our model. We're operating in PyTorch. And we're using a pre-trained dialogue model from Microsoft. If you're interested, here you can find quite a lot of models from Microsoft, DialoGPT Small, Medium, and this is what we're going to use, DialoGPT-medium, and a lot of others you can find, you can experience with your own model. And I follow here from Gradio, the official, how to call it, guide. Getting started, I showed you last time. Now, today, we are here creating a chatbot. So, very easily, what we have to do, chatbots are stateful. This means the model prediction can change depending on how the user has previously interacted with the model. If we talk to our AI, we want that it remembers what we were talking about. And there is some content to this. So, we just follow here the instruction from the official Gradio guidelines. We set up the model I showed you. We define a predict function. This is very easy. We have our tokenizer. We encode our input. We append the new input to the chat history. We generate a response. I have a different max length, but I'll show you in a second. And then we just convert it in text and split it into lines. Easy. And then create the Gradio interface. As you know, we have here our function that we defined, and as I told you, we always have 3 elements, the function, the inputs, and the outputs, and then we just say launch. And this is exactly what we do. So I have here my import, I have my tokenizer, I have my predefined Microsoft model, I have here my predict function, a little bit of CSS optimization. So just that you understand, my talking will be in corn blue and the background from the bot will be in gray. So you can distinguish between us. And then again, we just say the function is the predict function. You can default a theme. Maybe we take some green or whatever. Input is a placeholder, output, and then we just say launch. This is it. This is what we're gonna execute right now. And you are familiar with this because what we will have is exactly, and as in the last time that I showed you Gradio, it is a real nice app. Here we go. Colab notebook detected. Yes, this is our Gradio app. And either you can have here your input. How are you? Where you say, hello, they are directly in Colab. And you see the response is calculated. So mine is in dark blue. And the response from the chat bot is in gray. But what we're going to do, you can also establish an external link. And this is exactly what we're going to do right now. As you can see, we have now our user interface defined. And we just input, howdy partner. And of course, submit. And the answer is calculated. Again, blue mine, and in gray, we have our little AI. So, hi is live. Hey, answers, it's good. So let's ask something personal. And your 23 children, let's challenge him a little bit. They all dead? They all dead. Wow. What? How did this happen? When did this happen? Doesn't know. Now, I have to say, this is a Microsoft trained product, so heaven's sake, maybe you should be a little bit careful if you use this and you apply it with children. You don't know? I don't know. So I guess we are stuck. So you see, whenever the answers repeat, change the subject. Maybe we'll get a better response. The wife is dead too. This is Microsoft. Congratulations. I would say it's somehow in a loop. What? How did this happen? Let's see what it answers. She's dead. Yeah. Again, we are stuck. Yeah, this is a local minimum. I'm not sure he will come out of this. Let's ask something else. How are you? There should be a normal answer. I'm dead. He's dead too. So the wife is dead, the children is dead, and the person I'm talking to is dead. This is a chatbot from Microsoft. Welcome. You are quite a family, ne? I mean, I'm dead. Okay, stuck in a local minimum. If you want to employ your chatbot commercially for the interaction with your customers, choose your chatbot carefully. I see you in the next video.